So flight is turned to fight at long last. Guards!
Get wrecked. I want to see him fight the guardy words. He's gonna do it. He is gonna... Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
Well, what do we have here? So you stole that divine knowledge capsule. Traitor! You traitor! Even the most rational scholar will yearn for the power of a god in a moment of desperation. Aren't you doing the exact same thing as me?
What is
Or
happening?
Ethan? Unfortunately for you, no god will lend you their power. Azar!
Help a man out, traveler.
He has gone completely insane.
No! My guy!
Take him to the Matra and exile him to Aru village. Then find someone to take these two to the confinement room. I'll deal with them later.
Grand Sage, we've finished all required preparations for Nyargarbaha Day. We may begin to enter the capsules now.
They said it better.
Excellent. You may begin.
Whoa. Yo, that's crazy.
It's okay. Just focus on your performance. We'll take care of everything else.
You sure know how to talk. Taking all the credit, even though we came here together to help out.
Wow, wow,
Thank
wow.
you both.
Ooh, that sounds great.
All right, let's get back to business.
Let's go.
Nilu, we'll be here to keep people from going to the Akademiya, so...
I was planning on telling them something like, the Akademiya has been conducting a weird experiment, and some of their test subjects escaped.
Oh, you couldn't think of
Well, that's
anything
creepy.
better? Oh,
I think it sounds great. I'm counting on you guys.
Don't worry, it'll be a piece of cake.
You can't go up there. There's a crazy lady performing a dance. That's fun. Yeah, she's... Oh, that sounds
Nilu.
fun.
Sorry, it's great to see you, but I'm really busy right now. Our bait people away with Yalda candies plan. Do you want some candy?
Vihar, thank you so much for doing all
I don't
this.
want some candy.
I'll pass on the candy, though. I cut back on sweets in the period leading up to a performance.
I'll have them right
Yeah,
after.
Thanks to you. I'm really grateful.
You're welcome. The honor's all mine, since I'll have such a great view of the show.
Oh, here we go. Oh, let's do this. They're like, hello, ma'am? Ma'am, sir? Ah! Blasphemy. She's dancing on by the entrance. Ooh.
I've never seen a performance like
Yeah.
this. This is incredible.
Yeah, but I heard that public performances like these have been banned. I can't believe she's doing this here.
She is
Grand Sage,
a...
there's some commotion outside.
She's a rebel.
How uninteresting.
Oh.
Issue the new Prohibition Act from the Akasha to the guards. They'll know what to do.
Do you think we should, like, stop her?
Let's just watch for a little bit longer.
Everyone else is like, yeah.
Besides, even if he's caught, the guards would be too scared to do anything to him. They've never seen Lesser Lord Kusanali in person.
Oh
after all.
my god, no.
Anyway, I think I see them coming.
Did they
Good luck.
dress up the boy? Stop. Stop. Oh
This outfit.
my god.
Hey, do you remember what you need to do, Isak? When the guards get
Yes.
here, you'll pretend to be Lesser Lord
La la la
Kusanali
la.
and run away from them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I remember. Of course I do. I'm just a little
Oh
nervous.
my god. This
Relax.
poor
Don't
child.
think about getting caught. Even if that happens, we won't leave you behind.
You want to help your grandpa? Well, let me tell
only
you
need to think
something.
about getting the guards' attention and leading them to the Grand Bazaar. Leave the rest to us.
Okay,
Stop.
got it. I'm here to pay back Lesser Lord Kusanali for helping Grandpa.
Exactly.
We won't get cold.
You want to help your grandpa?
They're here. I can see the Akademiya guard. Stop thinking about it.
This man is
It must
pressed.
be a trick of theirs. As long as I personally confirm it.
Oh, the music.
Impossible. That's impossible. There must be something wrong with my eyes. She really appeared again? What is the meaning of this?
What a comical sight is are.
Oh, it's my boy. Oh.
Once
Ah!
the Akasha has put certain thoughts into your head, even the Grand Sage can no longer see what's right in front
Yo,
of
that's crazy.
you. You all can only see the world
Whoa.
in your mind, the one you think you know. And precisely because of this, you disregarded Lesser Lord Kusanali's existence. She has been a wise and worthy Archon.
Sino, have you been waiting for a chance like this? The Akasha predicted that
So
you would return
cool.
to the Akademiya to confront me. But I didn't expect
Not
it
like
to turn
this.
out like this. I was careless.
No, you were blinded. Your faults stem from your reliance on the Akasha. You're still the same as always.
I truly did not expect a proud person like you to cooperate with Al-Haytham and the Traveler.
Oh, the
People
music
change
is
as
so
are.
good.
Admit it. The Akasha can't predict my actions anymore.
Oh.
Then tell me, what have you found during your investigation?
You want to buy time? This is the sanctuary of Surasthana. Under your own regulations, even Akademiya staff are forbidden to come here. No one will come to save you.
Oh, murder him.
As for the investigation, I've at least confirmed that you are guilty of insurgency against the Archon. A serious crime.
So what? Did you do all of this so I would plead guilty in front of you, General Mahamatra?
No. I want you to plead guilty in front of the Archon herself. You once said that I had no standing to judge you. So now, how about judgment in the name of a god?
Oh.